Alright, welcome back guys. Like I said, been waiting on this one a while. As you can see, this Artillatron, this is my personal one. It's one of the first Megazords that I bought when I got back into collecting. Like I said, he's dusty. He's been sitting on the shelf waiting for new labels. It's pretty rough. But we've got new ones in. The set that I have is actually for my sons. We're going to do the basic labels. I'm hoping to get the chrome ones from BD15 for this particular one, mine. But either way, I'm going to go through the process of stripping these off, letting you see what's all involved, because there's a lot of labels on this thing. One of the main things I'm going to use is just a regular hair dryer for a little bit of heat. Basically use my fingers, peel them off, and to get rid of the glue and stuff, I'm going to use alcohol. That's what I've always had a lot of luck with. I know a lot of people use Goo Gone and some other stuff, but for me, I've always had a lot of good luck with the basics. Heat and alcohol have always worked really well. Sometimes a little bit of elbow grease, but we're going to get started on this thing. We're going to do it a piece at a time. Start with the top piece, then work our way down and get this guy ready. Also gonna, basically once we get everything off, get it cleaned up, all the black on this I'm gonna polish, and if it's got any little scuff marks here and there, we're gonna polish those out, get it cleaned up. I want it looking brand new when it goes back on the shelf. One thing that I want to mention is we took the big V1 sticker off the front of this. If you're using the hairdryer method, one thing you definitely want to watch out for. When you turn the heat on, it's best to go with low. I've got it on warm. Usually warm is about as high as I want to go. And like I said, you can go on low. Like I said, that one pulled off really easy. You have to be very careful with a hairdryer. You can get it very hot, very fast, and not mean to. You can warp the plastic. You can melt things. My best advice, start low, start slow. And always use your hand as a temperature gauge. If it's too hot, you want just warm enough to where you think that glue is going to turn loose. You don't want it hot enough to burn your hand. And like I said, like this one, with the exception of just a little bit right here, which a little bit of alcohol soften that up and bring it up. A little bit of heat goes a long way when pulling off these old decals.